What is up, and welcome back to the Sticky Art channel. If you're new here, my name is Justin, and in this video I'm going to be sculpting Sticky the Frog Dog out of Sculpey clay. So I've actually sculpted some other characters out of Sculpey before. This is my Miles Morales from Into the Spider-Verse. I really like how this one came out, super detailed, and the shoes came out really good. You can check these out on my channel as well if you'd like to. I've also done some other characters from Into the Spider-Verse, such as Spider-Gwen as well as Spider-Pig. But I made all of these out of Sculpey Souffle clay, and I'm going to make the Sticky Frog Dog out of the clay. The main reason that I'm going to be making the Sticky Frog Dog is because I thought it'd be a cool idea, as well as you guys wanted to see it, and the channel just hit 35,000 subscribers. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone for helping support the channel. So first thing I did to make the actual 3D model was I drew Sticky the Frog Dog in some different angles that I normally have not seen Sticky before, I'm not really familiar with, so I had to kind of design that. So I drew all the different angles, and then I started with a foil base. Start with the foil base just to save on clay, just because if I were to make this out of pure clay, it'd be super heavy and take forever to cook. Instead, I'm going to make just the base out of foil and then put about a 1/4 inch thick of clay over the top of it. Right now I am mixing and conditioning the clay, so I'm able to mix the two colors as well as condition it so it won't crack. And this clay is pretty old, so I'm surprised that it actually conditioned so well. So once I had the body how I liked it, I added the tongue and some other features. For the mouth, I decided to cut out part of the inner part and actually put in some black to give it some depth. And I rolled out some yellow to try and get kind of a glow on the inside of the eyes. I didn't really have the right tool for this. I did find later that just using the end of a paintbrush or like a little round brush was a lot more useful, but I tried using the knife, the plastic knife. But this is actually a super small sculpture, so a lot of the details I found were really hard. It's a little bit easier if you make it a little bit bigger. This is the smallest sculpture that I have made so far. All that's left on Sticky is to add the eyes and the teeth. I always wait to do the white part last just because the white clay gets really dirty very easily. Just by even touching it, it kind of gets dirty. So you can see here I used the edge of a clean plastic knife to put everything in, and I even on the first tooth got a little bit of black on there. I was able to scrape it off, but where the white clay gets super dirty super fast. So quick tip, if you have to add white, don't touch anything and have everything clean. I even had a fresh piece of paper that I got, a new piece of parchment paper. Once I had everything the way I liked it and pressed into place, put it in the oven to bake for 20 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. Have a nice time. Next, I wanted to add in a little bit of an accessory. I wanted to make it so Sticky had kind of like a little bit of spit on the end of his tongue, as well as a little fly. So I made a little super fly. And keep in mind, this was super small, kind of like the size of a Tic Tac. So that's gonna go on the end of Sticky's tongue. Put this in the oven for about 10 more minutes. After taking it out of the oven, I let it cool for a little bit, and I'm really happy with how it came out. I had a lot of fun sculpting this sticky frog sculpture. A lot of cool little details. I really like how the water even has like a cool marbling effect just by mixing the white and blue clay. And the other cool thing that I found out is that the clay is actually UV reactive, or at least the parts that I, for the most part, used. The legs have kind of cool spotting color. And it definitely looks even cooler in person, but super bright. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. I really like how it came out and had a lot of fun making this. Let me know if there's any other things you'd like to see made out of clay in the future, or any other things you'd like to see on the channel. And if you did enjoy this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button as well as share it, and subscribe and turn on notifications for when I post my newest videos. I'll also post all the links to all the products that I used and all the clay, as well as links to the other characters that I made out of Sculpey, all the Spider-Man, into the Spider-Verse, as well as Rousey. Thanks again for checking out the video, and until next time, peace.